are part of duration. Generally, all the world knows the time is a particular or period of duration, whether it could be past, present, or future. That's a general term. But of course, we are talking about mathematics, so this means a measurable period, exact time. Okay, so what are we going to use if you're gonna study about time? What do you think? How are we going to know if we're going to study about time? What are you going to look at? Yes?
Clock.
Clock or?
Watch.
Watch. Okay. What you're going to use is the clock. What do you mean by clock? Everybody read the clock.
An instrument for measuring and recording time.
Okay, an instrument for measuring and recording time. Okay? We have what we call watch. It's here in your hand. You're gonna use it by your hand. And when we talk about clock, of course, you're gonna put it on the wall or anywhere else. Okay, another one is usually with hands or changing numbers to indicate the hour and minute. Okay? So when we talk about clock, there are numbers. You cannot call that clock if there is no number because you cannot see the time. Of course, okay? And then there is what we call the old clock. Okay? This time you're gonna sit there. It's not numbers, but it's numerical or what we call that one. Long time ago, they are using this kind of clock. Okay? There are still numbers, but it's in numerical numbers. Okay? And there is also what we call digital clock. Have you seen like that?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. You're gonna watch football. You're gonna watch basketball. You can see like that. It's a digital clock. Okay? So you see the difference? We have the old clock, not numbers. Okay? We have the digital clock. It looks like this one. Okay? So the third one, of course, is what we call the new design clock. Okay? Nowadays, many people invented a very beautiful kind of clocks. Some are triangle. I think I've seen one triangle, some of square, and normally circle. We have also like that. Have you seen like that? It's very beautiful, right? It's a new design clock. Okay? It's improving. And now you can see numbers. We have also like that. Okay? And another one like this. It's something like, it's not so clear, but in the center you can see the clock. Alright. And we have the last one like this. Normally girls like that kind of clock. Okay? Alright, we have also like that. If you can see in the wall. Now, this time, we're gonna talk about parts of the clock. Okay? Like for us, we have parts of the body. Clock also have parts. Of course, we have here the clock, and then the numbers, and then the three hands. We have here the first hand. You can see there are three hands. The short hand, the long hand, and something like the thin one. Okay. That one is what we call our hand. Yes, very good. The next one is?
Middle hand.
The third one is?
Second hand.
Okay, the R hand is there. Okay? That is the R hand. Take note that, or remember that it is the short hand. Okay? And the minute hand, of course, is the longer one. Okay? And the last one, the longest but the thinnest, that is the second hand. Okay? And then, you always remember that 60 seconds, the red one, if you're gonna turn that one, 60 seconds is equivalent to
1 minute.
Very good. And 60 minutes is equivalent to?
1 hour.
Very good. So, these are the parts of the clock. Okay. Now, this morning, this would be our topic this morning, the hour system. Okay? There are two kinds of hour system. Different countries in the world uses different hour system. Okay? You're gonna talk about that later. Okay. The first hour system is the 24-hour system. Okay, let's read all together.
It's a timekeeping convention.
Okay, it's a timekeeping convention. Let's read again.
The day runs from midnight to midnight, and it is divided into 24 hours.
Okay, from the word 24, so you will use numbers 1 to 24. Okay, remember that. 24-hour system, the day runs from midnight. You know what is midnight? You are still sleeping that time. Okay? From midnight, 12. Okay? You're sleeping from midnight until 6 o'clock in the morning, until 12 o'clock in the afternoon, in the afternoon, and then 6 o'clock at night, and then 12 midnight again. Okay? So that is, day runs from midnight to midnight. And you are going to use the numbers from 1 to 24. Okay, let's read all together.
Also known as military time.
Okay, so have you seen a soldier?
Yes.
Have you seen an army? They are using 24-hour system. So 24-hour system is also known as military time. Okay? So if you want, when you grow older, you want to be an army, you want to be a soldier, you're going to use military time. Okay? So that's the first hour system. Okay? And then let's just find out what is the time. The first clock. Look up properly the first clock. From midnight to noon, meaning to say in the morning. Okay? In the morning. And from lunch. From morning to lunch. Okay. Who can guess what is the time then? Can you raise your hand? Yes, time.
The time at midnight to noon is 5 o'clock 44.
Is that 5 o'clock? I think try again, because the short hand or the R hand is there at the R. Can you? Okay, let's have another one. 29. Okay. Okay, this is you're going to read like this way. Okay. OA 29 hours. You have to read like that way. OA 29 hours, or you read OA 29 hours. Okay? So that is how you are going to read it. OA 29 hours. Don't forget there is hours. Do not use AM or PM. Next one. From noon to midnight. That is 20. Okay, I'm sorry. That's supposed to be 29. Okay? So 29 hours. Okay, that's mistaken. Number 2. I guess it's 13 hours, right?
Yes.
You seen it? 13 hours. Do not forget to put hours when you use 24-hour unit. And then at night, 13 hours. Okay? Read it that way. The last one is 15 hours. Okay? You read the numbers by 2 digits. Okay? 15 hours. And at night, or at noon, 15 hours. Okay? Alright. Now, I think we're gonna go to the next one. For example, I'm gonna call a name. Koktam. What is the time? In the morning. That's in the morning. 24-hour system. What do you think? Look at properly.
07:45.
Very good. Oh, 7:45 hours. Don't forget to say hours. Okay? Thank you very much. You sit down. Oh, 7:45 hours. Good. How about at night? Okay, Jumbo.
19:45
Very good. 19, let me see. 19:45 hours. It's correct. Alright? So that's how you're going to look up. Okay? You have to consider 1 to 24 numbers. Let's make faster. Okay. Now let's go to the second one, the 12-hour system. Okay. I tell you something. Of course, it's a timekeeping convention. In the Philippines, we're going to use 12-hour system. In Thailand, you're going to use 24-hour system. That's the difference also. But it's just the same. After anti-meridian AM, which is from midnight to noon, okay? This is divided, one day is divided into 2 parts, okay? AM and PM, alright? In the morning, use AM from midnight to noon. In the afternoon, use PM from noon to midnight. Each period consists of 12 hours. Do not use 13 to 24. Just use 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Okay, it's different. Okay, last one is also known as standard time. Okay, all the people in the world knows about standard time. Okay? Okay, let's have another example. This one. Let's have, that is
Not half.
5:55, right? That's 5:55 a.m. Okay. Noon to midnight, or you can say 5 minutes to 6. I think it's 5 minutes to 6. It's 6. Got mistaken. It's 5 minutes to 6. 5:55 p.m. Okay? Next one is 7:05 a.m. Okay? Or 5 minutes past 7. The next one is 5:75 p.m. Alright? And the last one is 11:35 a.m. and 11:39 p.m. Okay, it's very easy for you. Let's have an example in the morning. You can tell me. Raise your hand. Same answer raising? Okay, answer pa. What is the time? Will you stand up, please? Is that 4? Okay. Try again. Do not